Hello, I'm Sujata Sheth from Government First Grade College and Center for PG Studies, Tenkanediur, Udupi. In this video session, we will be learning how to sketch the polar curves using Maxima software. We'll first see what are the Maxima commands required. The first command required is string. String within parenthesis returns a string value of x, where x is a number, expression, or an equation. Similarly, string, if percentage is written within the parenthesis, this gives the output of the previous line. The next command required is concat. This concat of st, st1 returns the new string got by adding st1 to the right side of st. We have to note that the value of the old string st is not changed. The next command required is polar of. This command is written within the wxdraw2d. The syntax is polar of r of theta, theta, L1, L2, where L1 and L2 are lower and upper limits for the angle theta. The next command which we require is ntix is equal to k. Here k is usually a large number. The larger the value of k, the smoother the curve appears. If this is not mentioned, then a very small value is taken by default and the curve does not appear smooth. The next command required is proportional underscore axis equal to xy. This command makes the x-axis and y-axis to have the same scale. Now let us see an example. So let us start by writing it as kill all. We'll define a function r of theta as r of theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. S is equal to string percentage will give the output of the previous command. So here now S will be equal to r of theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. We're going to concat graph of with the string value of S. So here after this command, the value of S will be graph of r of theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. Now in order to draw the curve, we are going to use wxdraw2d command. Here we write grid equal to true. Now we define a range for x-axis and y-axis. We'll take x range equal to minus 4, 4, y range equal to minus 5, 5. Here we assign ntix is equal to 100. X-axis equal to true, y-axis is equal to true, title equal to S, where S is nothing but graph of r of theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. Then we write proportional underscore axis equal to xy. We assign the color brown and here we write the polar form. Polar of r of theta, theta, will take lower limit as 0 and upper limit as 2 pi. So now let us execute this by pressing the keys shift with enter. We'll see the curve looks like this. This is nothing but a cardioid. So this curve represents r of theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. We'll see one more example. So let us change the equation of the curve. Now let us name it as r of theta is equal to 2 into cos theta. And let us execute this by pressing the keys shift with enter. We'll see how the curve looks. So this is the shape of the curve r of theta equal to 2 star cos theta, which resembles an oval. We'll see one more example. Let us define r of theta as 3 into sine theta plus 1. So now we'll execute it and we'll see how the curve looks. So this is the graph of the curve r of theta is equal to 3 into sine theta plus 1. Let us see one more example. Let us take r of theta is equal to cos of 4 into theta. Now let us execute this by pressing the keys shift with enter. Now this is the graph of r of theta equal to cos of 4 theta. This resembles, like this is also otherwise called as 8-leaved rows. Thanks for watching.